CloudSpot versus Honeybook, right? So CloudSpot and Honeybook are two prominent CRM platforms tailored for photographers, each offering unique features and benefits. Below is a comparison of both platforms based on functionality, pricing, and user experience. So as you can see here, both of their target audience is completely different. But as you can see here, CloudSpot is taking a lot to load. I had to wait for around 5 to 10 minutes just to load this website. I don't know, my internet speed is pretty good. But even though this could be just a problem of mine, anyway, let's get back to the main topic here. So very first thing is that the target audience is completely different. So as you can see here, this is a target audience and CloudSpot is current target audience is photographers. Honeybook, creative professionals including photographers. So here you can take a screenshot or pause this video. You can read this, their features, comparison, everything. Now let's get back to very important thing before going here. That is the pricing. And pricing is a very important factor which usually client decide. So let's CloudSpot offers plans starting at $15 a month, which includes both CRM functionalities and online gallery services. On the other hand, Honeybook price range from $30 to $40 a month, focusing solely on CRM features without an integrated gallery. So CloudSpot is designed specifically for photographers, which allow it to cater to the unique needs very effectively. Users appreciate its ease of use and low cost, making it particularly appealing for those new to photography or those who prefer a straightforward solution. On the other hand, Honeybook is often seen as a more robust but can feel overwhelming due to its extensive features and high pricing point. Because as I told, their audience, customer audience is slightly different than CloudSpot. This could be a reason. So both CloudSpot and Honeybook serve as a useful tools for photographers, but they cater to different needs. For example, you can go with CloudSpot if you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly platform that combines CRM capabilities with online gallery services. On the other hand, Honeybook, if you need more comprehensive tool with advanced features, are willingly to invest more time in learning its functionalities. So ultimately, the choice is really good. It's completely up to you whether you want to go for CloudSpot or Honeybook. And make sure I've gave you the enough information to choose it. Thanks for watching this video.